An offer from Uber Eats. I'm going to CVS and shop for 6 items. I'm going to get $12.06 for 4.8 miles. Whoops. Okay, we made it to CVS. Let's park this car and go get this stuff. I thought this item that you're seeing on the screen was a sex thing, so I was over in the lubrication, the condoms and all that, but it's for snoring. Got an offer from Uber Eats to go to Albertsons, shop just for 1 item. I'm gonna get $7 and a penny for 2.2 miles. I got an add-on, $9.50, shop for 6 items for a little over a mile. Now I'm gonna need a cart. Oh man, this wind is freezing.